Today we're going to cover the SUMIF and SUMIFS formula. So right here you can see the SUMIF. We have the product, so this is the range, and then we have B18 as the criteria, and then the sum range is the total. So what we're telling the formula to do is to calculate the total sales for TVs. And if we individually count these up, TV, we get 1,125. And then you can see this formula, we get the same value. The next formula we're going to cover is the SUMIFS function. Now it's a little different, it's set up differently than the SUMIF function, but kind of does the same thing. So this allows us to put multiple search criteria. So here we have the sum range. We're trying to do the same thing we did here, calculate the totals. And the first one is A1, so that's the months, and we're going to try and find October. So B24 October. The second criteria is the country column, and we're going to try and find the value for USA. And that gives us 187. And you can see here that for October and for USA, we get 187.50 cents. So, yeah, these are very helpful, especially when you're calculating large columns and you have multiple criteria that you're trying to, sum. So, yeah, I use a lot of the SUMIFs, but sometimes you just want something quick and dirty, and the SUMIF function is handy there too.